Going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox login in problem. So if you're having this problem, then every single time you try to log in, even if you enter a correct username and correct password, Roblox just logs you out of your account automatically. If you're facing this problem, then you guys are at the right video because I'm going to be helping you guys in solving it. Just close your Roblox first. Once you close your Roblox, what you want to do is you want to find your Roblox app over here. Once you see it, hold on it. And it's going to show you app info. Click on app info then. Once you click on app info, it's going to take you to the app info section of your phone. So wait for some time until it loads up. And for iPhone users, since you don't have this feature, you just need to delete your Roblox and reinstall it again. Alright? So for Android users, just come over here, go on storage, click on clear data, click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of your Roblox. Once you do that, you want to go to your browser. And on your browser, you want to go to this website called roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com, it will take you to the official website of Roblox. So wait for some time until the page fully loads up. Over here, click on login. And over here, you need to enter your username and then enter the password of your account. Click on login. And after logging in, it's gonna take you to a page where it's gonna say to agree to the, reactivation account. So since I've already fixed my problem, it's not gonna take me to the page. But if you're facing a login problem, once you enter your login detail, Roblox is gonna ask you to reactivate your account. So you need to agree to its terms and service first by clicking on I agree by scrolling to the bottom of the page and click on reactivate my account. Once you reactivate your account and successfully log in into your Roblox account on the browser, what you can do is go on your app version of Roblox again and log in into your account and it should work, alright?